Do you know what's better than store-bought gulab jamans? Gulab jamans that you can make at home. These turn out soft, juicy and perfectly cooked from the center every single time. To start with, let's make our sugar syrup. Combine your sugar, water, rose water and cardamom pods and boil for about 5 minutes. Now in a bowl, add your milk powder, self-raising flour, oil, egg and gradually add your cream. Knead with soft hands because we are after a soft dough. I ended up using about 1 cup of cream and this is the texture you're after. Roll into round balls and fry on medium to low heat for about 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Place on a paper towel to remove the excess oil and once fried, add to your boiling sugar syrup. Cover and simmer for a further 10 minutes and then turn your stove off. Garnish with almonds and your delicious gulab jamans are ready.